Hi everyone. So let's we'll start about SAP. So who are the beginner and those are start their career in SAP? Please watch this video and I recommend it to watch till in. Okay, so please subscribe for future videos. So let's start. So what do you mean by SAP? SAP, that means system application and product in data processing. So it is an ERP software packages, okay, which is used to manage the business operations, right? So we'll start now. And why you choose SAP as a career? So this is a high demand market, attractive salary package used by top company worldwide, strong long-term career growth. What is the ERP basically? ERP means enterprise resource planning. It is integrated for among multiple modules like finance, sales, HR, inventory, and so on. So types of module basically functional module, technical and industrial specific module. Popular module basically we have it SAP FICO, SAP SD and HCMs. These are the popular technical modules. So ABAP is must okay for the fresher and beginners as they want to start as a career as a freshers. Okay, SAP basis, SAP HANA, S4 HANA for the next generation ERP package are there. Okay, what is the S4 HANA basically? So latest ERP packages, okay, and high speed performance, real time analytical, cloud and feature ready. Okay, which SAP module should you choose? Okay, like based on your background. Okay, if you have a commerce account background, choose SAP FICO. If you have a sales and marketing, go SAP SD. If you have purchasing store, go for SAP and if you have IT background, okay, it is very recommended to go with SAP ABAP or SAP HANA. So learning requirement, basic computer knowledge, understanding of business process, practical on SAP server, and must be good communication skill as well. So as a SAP career, okay, and salary package would be as a fresher 3 to 6 lakhs, middle level 6, 8 to 15 lakhs, and experience as a 20 plus LPA. So how to start the learning SAP? Understand the basics first, choose any one module, practice on a live server, and prepare resume services for that interview. Conclusion, SAP is a more powerful career options. Right module plus practice equal to success. So start today from the strong features. So now contact us for the below SAP service. So all types of server we are providing SAP live sessions. We are providing all types of recording class video. We are also providing SAP material and PDFs. We have all types of FAQs we are providing. We are also giving the FAQ answers and questions. We are supporting like project either support or implements. Okay, and we are basically providing the services at a very low cost with 24 by 7 support. Please mail us and definitely you should subscribe this channel, like and share this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.